how do you think about when you make YouTube videos, quality versus quantity? Because you lean very heavily towards quality, right? When you make these videos, the trade-off is always, should I release less videos if I'm a YouTuber and make them really high quality, or should I edit them less and put a bit less effort into them and but release more videos? How do you think about this? Is this something you are actively thinking about and maybe struggling with, or do you just say, okay, quality all the way is the way to go? Or have you ever thought about making more videos but with a little bit lower quality?
Yeah, it's definitely, definitely struggle with that a lot because I think there's this default feeling that I should upload something every single week, at least one video per week, right? I think that's kind of what a lot of YouTubers try to do. But I think like that roadmap video that you mentioned, it kind of went viral last summer. And I actually didn't upload anything after that video. I didn't upload anything for about 3 months, but it was still getting a lot of views. And so that sort of taught me that I don't need to feel obligated to get on this like hamster wheel of trying to upload a video every week. So I definitely err more onto the quality side of things versus quantity. But at the same time, I think if I waited, 2 months between every video, I think that wouldn't really help my audience since, the content that I create is kind of educational and like I'm trying to help people learn web development and stuff like that. And so, yeah, I think everyone just, if you're a YouTuber, you just kind of need to find the balance that works for you, that you can still create content, but you're not feeling overly stressed about meeting some kind of frequency schedule. And so that's just what I try to do for myself. So I would like to upload one video per week, but if I don't, I try not to worry about it too much. Because I do think YouTube is pretty forgiving in its algorithm, even if you don't upload every single week, unlike other platforms like Instagram and things like that, where I think they really try to get you to create more regular content. So that's kind of how I deal with it.
Yeah, do you know from the top of your head how many videos you have in your channel?
My channel total?
Yeah, total amount of videos.
I have maybe 40 videos at this point or
Yeah,
so.
yeah, so we are really opposite in this regard, I think, because I have many videos, a few hundred, that all don't bring in many views per video, but they're the mass. Is what makes up the total views per month. And you mentioned the hamster wheel, and it can really turn into a hamster wheel. There are a lot of tech YouTubers that kind of burn out from making videos, right? It's not as much fun as it looks sometimes.